Flu season here in the Dominican Republic. Getting a new shower here. This is the common area and the old amphitheater. I'd like to see a band take the stage here one day again. Have to be during the day. Before 9 o'clock, people like their peace and quiet here. But lots of fruit trees. And then this is a new ramp by what used to be a tennis court. This is all new. And then they've started a community garden down here. Not a whole lot of people using it yet. A good place to do your tomatoes and herbs and stuff like that. See what they got going on over here. It looks like somebody's been planting stuff too. You see this is all pretty much sand, so you need to bring in some decent dirt, which I've done in a couple spots here. They're composting a little bit. Not sure what all this stuff is, but hopefully it'll be a more productive community garden at some point. And this is the walk over the K block, which you've seen me do many times, but not recently. It's time for a trim on these bushes. They've got a schedule that they're pretty good to sticking with. The maintenance crew here is great. This is the pool facing side of K block. I'll walk up the hill and you can see what I mean by a trim job is needed soon. All these should be flat on the top, which they always normally are. This is the generator building and the laundries down here as well, with a separate entrance for construction or access for owners. This is the main floor. This is the one with 5 units. Pretty much renovated the same, in decent condition. So that's floor 1. This is the second floor. 134B is a nice, very well renovated unit. It's on Airbnb if you're interested. So technically the second floor, if you're counting that they're all numbered, starts with 1. And then this is technically the 3rd floor from the bottom, but numbered as 2. So even I have for a minute here, I'll show you that in a minute. And this is the 2 units on 1 title. 2 studio apartments. I don't have a key for this, but I do have other videos with a complete walkthrough. The last one I sold in here is this one at $231. It sold for $40. I would expect that the next one sells for closer to $50. My guys did a nice renovation of the kitchen in here.